Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to enable the WPS on Xfinity router in 2026. So before hopping on how you can do it exactly, let's just understand what is WPS. So WPS stands for Wi-Fi protected setup, and it is going to let you connect the devices like printers, TVs or extenders with just one button. And the best part is that you don't need any password for this. So first of all, on your router, you just have to simply locate the WPS button. So here, as you can see, it is just behind your router. So when you locate this particular button, you just have to simply press the WPS button once. Now, when you do this, you are immediately going to see the blue light blinking. When it does, it simply means that WPS is active and your router is now ready to connect to a device. Now, WPS mode stays active for about 2 minutes, so you will need to act quickly. So when the blue light is blinking, simply open the device that you want to connect. So let's say I want to connect my PC. So you need to come inside the settings of your device. Inside the settings, look for the option of Wi-Fi. So when you are here on the Wi-Fi settings, among the given Wi-Fi options in the list, you just have to select WPS option and then you need to simply press its WPS button. Now your device will automatically connect to the Wi-Fi without asking for a password. So once the connection is established, the router light is going to turn solid and your device will have the internet access. So once that happens, it simply means that the setup is complete. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.